It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi, kindergartners. Hi, Penny. Hi, Cassie. Hi, everybody. Oh, Crafty's here. I hear Crafty. Do you guys hear Crafty? What's up, Crafty? Come on up here. You have a question? Good one. So Crafty has been noticing that some sentences are short and some sentences are longer. And Crafty wants to know, why would it be important to expand our sentences? What's that, Penny? Do you have a question? Oh, good one. So Penny wants to know, what does expand mean? So Crafty wants to know, why is it important to expand our sentences? And Penny wants to know, what does expand mean? Well, expand means that you make something larger or bigger. So a good sign for that would be bigger, right? Larger. So we make it larger. And so I think a good thing here would be to think about how important it is to expand our sentences. So if you want to sign that with me, we'll sign important to expand our sentences. We're using the F hand a lot, right? Important, and then expand sentences. Okay, so how important is it to expand our sentences and make them bigger? Well, let's look at page 9 in our book. So let me get my page 9 out. Now, you know there's no page numbers on here, so I had to number mine. So I'll put the page up on the board of which page I'm talking about. It's a page in the spring, and it's where they're all laying eggs. It's a bunch of eggs everywhere. And I'm going to zoom in on this cuckoo bird up here. So this cuckoo bird, it says, it could say, the big bird is laying her egg. And it could just stop there. That could be a regular sentence, right? The big bird is laying her egg. So the big bird is doing something, laying her egg. But they wrote a little bit more. So they expanded the sentence to say, the big bird is laying her egg in a little bird's nest, which makes the sentence a little more interesting and tells you more details, right? So expanding that sentence and making it a little longer adds more details and makes it more interesting. And now we know why she's so cuckoo, right? Cuckoo bird she's a big bird in a small tiny nest. That's kind of cuckoo. And that's why she's called a cuckoo bird. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so then we have some other sentences on here, like the silly goose has laid an egg. So this is the goose. I zoomed in on the goose. The silly goose has laid an egg. Now we could just say that and be done. But if we expand that sentence like they did in the book to say, the silly goose has laid an egg in the middle of nowhere, now we know why she's a silly goose, because she laid her egg in the middle of nowhere. So she must be crazy, right? It's possible. So they added some more detail by expanding the sentence to give us more information. And it tells us where something happens and a little bit more about what's going on to make us know what the kind of feeling is about the story. Is it silly? Is it a funny part? Is it an important part? What's happening and where is it happening at to help us out? Does that help make sense a little bit for you, Crafty? Okay, perfect. So Crafty said, yeah, it's making more sense, but maybe we could try it as a class. And I said, okay, sure, we can try it. So here is a way we could try it. I have an idea. We have been talking about what is happening in the winter and in the spring on Maple Hill Farm. So today, what I want you guys to do is get your response journals out. We're going to write about winter. Okay, we're going to think about winter. And we're going to start our sentence with, winter is. Now, we could just write a short sentence. Winter is cold. Right? Makes sense. Winter is cold. You could do that. But we want you to try to expand your sentence and make it a little bit bigger so we can show more thinking for Crafty to show that we can make expanded sentences too. So if you could think of more than one thing about winter that you could put in your sentence, that would be even better. So you could put, like, winter is cold and snowy. Winter is snowy and the days are shorter. Winter is cold and the animals keep warm by huddling together. So try to think of 2 things that are happening at least in the winter to expand that sentence and give us more detail about what winter is on the farm. Also, draw your picture, label it, and make sure you use lots of color for us. We love colored pictures and labels and sentences, and we can't wait to see what you write about winter when you expand those sentences. See you guys soon. Bye for now.